Any problem. Okay, here we are today at Navtara and Panjim. This is the vehicle which is going to move 500 packets to Margao, and here we have 500 packets packed up and ready to move. We also have another 380 packets. Let him start. 380 packets prepared, being packed up. Being packed up. Yes, sir. You can do the packing. You can start. You can start. So. Here the gentleman. Baba, what's your name?
Rahul.
Rahul is packing part of the second trip which is going to go out, and I'm going to take you with the manager now. Sir, tell me your name.
My name is Vishal Singh.
Pardon?
Vishal Singh.
Vishal Singh. So Vishal Singh, tell us about this. What happened? How you started in the morning? What time?
At 6 o'clock we have started in the morning.
Okay.
At 6 o'clock we have started in the morning and we are packing for the food. 500 packets we are packing from all our outlets.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are packing for the poor people and needy people and for the HIV patients. These are the packets we are giving: dal, vegetable and rice.
Okay. So what time you started? You said
6
o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Okay.
Morning
Done.
at 6 o'clock.
So
we have started.
And you have closed your top section today.
Yeah.
The top section is closed today because the packing is going on top. So we appreciate the sacrifice made by Aditya and Carlos by keeping his top section closed. We start taking it down. Yeah. And now we are going to send the first strip of 500 packets to Madgaon from here. It's not an easy task moving. This is the vehicle which is going to Sapnesh. Oh, vehicle is leaving now from Panjim.
Okay.
You call it. No. Samir, Patle open kar. No, you're not going to Malbert first. You're working at KTC. He'll reach by 11. तुका call करता. तुका 10 मिनट and call करता. You go to Facebook and see. So here we have the loading going on. It's being loaded in a vehicle and sent. This is the first 500 packets. This is Navtara Panjim. This is Navtara Panjim and you want to go? Then don't close it, sir. Don't close it. Let it be. Logistics is a big issue. We are grateful to Crispin Sequeira from Porvory for taking care of these logistical issues. He's taking care of 2,000 meals logistic issues for us with his vehicle. And here are the staff of Navtara loading the vehicle which is going to go to Madgaon with 500 packets. From Madgaon it's going to go to Holy Spirit Church. From Holy Spirit Church it's going to move down to different parts of South Goa. What we have done is we have split 5,000 packets equally across all Navtaras. We have 100 packets at Sholim Navtara. We have 300 packets at Bagam Navtara. We got 1,000 packets here, 880 packets at Panjim. We have got 1,000 odd figure at Porvory. We got at KTC 600 or 800, and we got at Malbert another 1,000. So we have split the packets because it's not possible to upload or cook or prepare all the food in one place. So logistics is a big issue which we are managing to put in place, and we thank you all the benefactors for your support. We are determined to move this food right up to the last point, latest by 1 o'clock. Latest by 1:30 they should be eating the last packet of meal. Never attempted before 5,000 meals, and I'm sure Navtara also has not ever anytime across all their outlets in one single day managed to cook so much food. I'm not sure, I said. So it's a great achievement for the staff. In spite of their busy schedule at the restaurant, they have managed to successfully organize 880 packets at this Navtara Panjim, and thanking God for all the coordination, for all the people who support us. आप जाके चेक करके आ जाओ ना भाई. समीर, मोदी घालता थोडे राव रे. हे तर मोदी घालीत न्हू जाल्यार ते 500 तुका. हो रे, एक मिनिट सांगता मागीर. So looks like we are going to be tight. कितले आतां बॅगा? 25 आसूंक जाय ते, 20 आसूंक जाय. कितले आहा? ना ते उरलेले भितर घाल. हे जावचें ना, सकयल घाल ते. भैया लो, थोड़ा नीचे डाल. समीर ते साइड वच.
नीचे डालूं ऊपर?
एक मिनट, वो आ रहे होते. थोडे सकयल घाला. कितले? 15, 16, 17 आणि 3 सकल.
फुडल्यान नाही राहू, मागे ॲडजस्ट करता.
देखो उधर साइड में. इसको एक देना पैकेट. अभी दो. So we have 17 loaded. We have 15 loaded. We still have got to load 5 more, and the same vehicle is also picking up 500 from KTC Navtara Panjim or Margaon, which will be, these 1,000 packets will go to Holy Spirit Church, where there is a team of people waiting to move it down further. Hey, Lara, jaldi. असं रे पूजा ना तू आणि ते आणि आलं नका तू. ते तोयच घाल. ते बंद जावचें ना मरे वयले ना चान्स. हां बेस्ट रे सपोर्ट ना तुका. प्लास्टिकाचो सपोर्ट येतलो. प्लास्टिकाचो हे येतलो पुरो इतले पुरो. हां लॉक करतले. स्लीप जावचें ना. हां पुरो. हियर वी हॅव 4 more bags. We have 4 more bags going in. बाबा एक बैग ये साइड काट. एक बैग ये साइड काट. एक ना जाए ना. बाबा एक बैग इधर. उधर नीचे डाल. उठा के डाल. जाएगा वो नीचे. बाबा तुझा सीट लागता. रुक तुझा सीट लागता. आणि चान्स आणि एक हांगा. It's the last set. He's giving us pickles and spoons also. Okay, good, good. Wait, put it at the back. Put it at the back. Baba. Yes, I'll tell it. So we have pickles and spoons also. Gatle? Anikula last. Anikula last. मिला ना? Very good. हो गया? अनिक लास्ट उल्ला. गाल अच्छे. सिटार गाल. गाल. सिटार गाल. So, okay? Yes. No problem. Tu watch. Asure. Samir. So we have the first vehicle moving. Samir, you are going straight to. You are say hi to Samir. Samir saying hi to you all. You are going straight to Margaon. Sapnesh will call you. Thank you for taking these 500 packets.
Welcome, sir. 1 second, sir.
Here we have Crispin who. Where you are? No problem. We'll take only half. So here we have Crispin who has sent us his vehicle. And our first vehicle is moving to Madgaon now. Crispin, we thank you for sending your vehicles today, 2 vehicles. The first vehicle is just leaving now and we'll come back live again after half an hour. Thank you so much.